OMG, it's happening.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. The police department is looking for a missing and possibly endangered
glitch.
child last seen in Hermiston, Oregon. The child's name is Alyssa Hellman Dollar. She is a 10-year-old white female, 4 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 80 pounds, with brown hair, brown eyes, and unknown clothing. She may be in the company of Brooke Hellman Dollar, a 41-year-old white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 125 pounds, with brown hair, hazel eyes, and unknown clothing. They are believed to be traveling in a silver 2018 Nissan Sentra, Idaho license plate 1A909DF. If anyone sees these persons or vehicle, please contact a local law enforcement agency with the location. If anyone has any tips related to this Amber Alert, please contact the Nampa Police Department at 208-465-2206 or dial 911.